This is my first YouTube video. Today we're going to be installing some camber bolts on the Fiesta. Not sure how this video is going to come out due to me recording on the GoPro, but we'll see. Right now we have nothing. But we shall see how this comes out. I'm not expecting much because it only adds negative 1.5 camber. So we're just going to be running through the process, seeing the before and after. Cannot see the pinch weld, so hopefully I'm on it. You have it with you? Yeah. I was literally just gonna say, hopefully this thing has enough to break it. No. So basically, this bolt comes out. I'm gonna loosen the bottom one. The bolt replaces the top bolt. Kind of kicks it out a little bit. Definitely think I did that right. Hopefully. Oh, the bottom. The bottom, I loosened the bottom. Oh yeah. As we'll be seeing Elijah today.
Nope, not here.
Yep. He actually just started a YouTube too.
I did. It's I think it's on social. If not, it's just Elijah Rodriguez.
Looking at the one that I just did, I have a lot of clearance. Okay. Look at this side. Not as much clearance. We're gonna hit the other side and go for a little test drive and see how this came out. After that, I think I might lower the fronts a little bit more. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, bud. Still want some David Allen Coe. My fingers in it last time. Now we're just free. All right, let's take this thing for a spin. Just got off the test drive. Much better. We're definitely gonna go lower. No scrubbage unless I hit a bump. I'm gonna have to get stiffer springs. So I think these are only 5Ks, but definitely a lot better. They used me at 5/8. I don't want to hear nothing about the screwdriver and sledgehammer combo. I bought these coilovers for $200 off of Marketplace. Yeah. We ran into an issue, and this side has been I want to spin by hand. So we're just millimetering away. Fucking tapping that shit.
We had a solution for this if we would have just went to my house and did this in my garage. I literally have the wrenches, but all because he had 2 lug nuts already off. He said we already started, so yeah. I mean, blame yourself.
Technically, we already started. We'll be back to y'all in about 6 hours when this thing finally reaches the bottom. A lot better. My ride height looks a lot better, and I still have a pretty good amount of clearance. Only thing I'm worried about is after it settles. I'm worried about it rubbing, but I mean, I think it'll be all right. With all that being said, we are going to end the video here for today. Again, really happy with how everything came out. I do rub scrub just a tiny bit. It's a little bit more than a tiny bit, but rub scrub never hurt nobody. So yeah.